Hey everyone, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidisha Banerjee, and in this channel I make DIY and home decor related videos. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you haven't, please do consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a jute coaster in 3 simple steps. So without further delay, let's get started. To make this jute coaster, you will need jute rope, 3 different colored woolen thread, glue, or you can also use glue gun if you have it. First, take 3 pieces of jute thread, tie a knot, and start braiding like so. Okay guys, so I have done the braiding part off camera. So once you're done with braiding, remove the knot from here and start braiding this part also. Once we're done, it will look something like this. Start rolling the jute thread with the use of glue. We will be continuing this process till our coaster reaches its desired size. Don't worry about this age, we will figure it out. Now take 3 pieces of each woolen thread, tie a knot here and start braiding. Once we are done with braiding, we will take this and we will be sticking this with the help of glue. You can also stitch it if you want. After sticking, it looks like this. Now we will again stick this jute thread here. Now repeat the same process with woolen thread. Now take a small cardboard piece and jute thread. Start wrapping it. Wrap 20 times. Now cut the thread. Take another small piece and see what I am doing now. Okay. Now cut it. Again take another small piece. Now trim the ends. And that's how your tassel will look. Stick the tassels one by one. And that is how it is looking. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also let me know in the comments what kind of DIY videos you want me to make for my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.